Welcome to this reality support tutorial from 3B Scientific and iSimulate. In this video, we will guide you through installing the REALITi app on your iPad. Open the App Store on your iPad and tap the Search tab. Type REALITi into the search bar to locate the app. Select the REALITi app from iSimulate in the search results. Make sure you are installing the correct app for your simulation system. Tap Get or the cloud icon to download the REALITi app to your device. You may be asked to log into the App Store or confirm the download with your Apple ID password. Complete the required authentication to continue. The REALITi app will begin downloading. Once the progress circle completes, the installation is finished. Tap Open to launch REALITi. When prompted, allow REALITi access to the local network so it can connect to other iPads for the simulation. You can then name your iPad based on its function and system color. For example, Monitor Black. Your REALITi app is now installed. Before you begin your training, make sure to claim your REALITi license first. Once the license is active, you can continue to pair your devices and then begin your simulation sessions.